Front lip is on. This is dope.
I was kind of pissed they didn't put this on, but like...
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We got some snow here in Maryland. Your typical March. Well, this weekend it was about 19 degrees and snowing. Today it's going to be up near 60 and sunny. In this video we are going to be taking the car to the shop to get the front splitter and the rear spats put on. I would do it myself, but I just don't have tools to get this car up because it's so low. For the same amount of money as going out and buying the stuff, I'm just gonna take it and just have them install it at the shop. We'll hop in, get it started. It's gonna be extremely loud because I have not started the car in like over a week and a half. This is a piece to the front splitter. I was struggling this morning getting out of bed because of the time change. It's really messed me up. And this is the only time this week I could pretty much take this to the shop because I work the rest of the week trying to get it done now. All right, so that should be just about everything. Yeah guys, so this time of year in Maryland, this is pretty much what we have to deal with. Like, it could be snowing and in the 20s one day, and then like this whole week, it's gonna be near 70 and sunny the whole week. One of the annoying things is, and hopefully the camera picks it up, is they put some salt down on the road, which means I'm gonna have to wash the car. Hopefully I'll be able to wash the car today, actually. All right guys, so you already know how to pick up my Duncan. I'm really excited to get this on the car, complete the whole, outside cosmetics look of the car. This is P-Tune's kit, and basically what it is just like the TRD replica kit that if you follow the Supra, you know back in like 2019, 2020, they announced the TRD kit. So this is basically that. It's just a replica kit.
A couple of really cool features. Like, I was kind of pissed they didn't put this on, but like, it's got like the GR86 right there.
Oh yeah, I didn't
Each one of these little textures is the 86 logo.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, it's a stupid thing, but it's like, I don't know, it's kind of cool.
This color is
you can't really see it right here, but like,
this is a little bit lighter.
Yeah, it's different.
The black mirror caps look good.
Oh yeah.
What wheels are those?
Wet Sport TC105X.
Oh, and you changed the reflectors already.
Oh yeah, we got a JDM reflectors. I had to get that. That was like the first thing.
Are you doing brakes?
Probably not, man. I don't know. Who knows? Like, this is supposed to be my daily.
Yeah.
Not really trying to get crazy with it, but who knows?
You're gonna throw a turbo on here?
I don't know, man. HKS already leaked a teaser of their supercharger, so.
Oh yeah? Yeah, this thing looks amazing. Man, this is a lot nicer than the old ones.
And look, I do have to realign this because I changed my ride height after I aligned it the first time.
Gotcha.
FA24 in this thing, man.
It's got a little like it feels a little bit more torquey.
Yeah.
Definitely. gets loose quick.
Yeah, dude. Nice little slippage right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's
This is cool, man.
definitely a lot of fun.
Comes with a nicer steering wheel than the Supra
Oh yeah,
from factory.
GR and the GR push button start right there. I mean, obviously their top end is lacking, but it still feels really good.
Yeah, but for
it
like
pulls like
right for like
it's like
a daily, like
like
this
an
is
NA.
cool, man. Ooh, a little pop. You got the pop tune on this?
Pops, yeah. Yeah.
It's got a little top end.
Yeah.
I feel like a little bit more
It reminds me of like an old school like
Integra maybe?
Integra or something.
Yeah. It's kind of cool how you can just like drift around turns so easily.
It's like effortless.
Yeah.
It's such a raw feeling
my
too.
God.
Like you don't get cars that are built like this that often anymore.
Right.
You know, it just feels like a raw sports car feeling.
It's got just enough little pop to it.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a nice 720S. One of my dream cars. This is dope. Looks like the car's getting finished up now. This is just kind of like the view of the shop. Alright, the car's done. Front lip is on. Definitely has that OEM Plus look. Rear spats are on. With the TRD style spoiler. Looks pretty good. Here's a better look of the whole kit. Just basically OEM Plus, like more aggressive front lip without being too low, more aggressive side skirts. More aggressive rear spats. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed that impromptu ride along in the GR86. Shout out to P-Tune for the side skirts and front lip, and shout out to Kinetic Autoworks for installing everything. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, got more content on the way, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.